classy ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Every support helps, every like helps, so please don't forget to do that. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing with you guys and hair review. I purchased this lace front wig from Wiggins hair, so I'm just going to show you guys what it looked like straight out of the package. It came here in this silk red bag, and it has the logo there that says Wiggins hair, and then it has a little crown there as well, and then it says once meet never forget, and then it comes with a little drawstring. So I'm just gonna open it up, you guys, and let you guys see how the packaging came. So it came in this little bag here, as you can see, and what I received was a HD lace. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is a HD lace, and it's a 13 by 4 lace size, and then it's a 32 inch and 250 density. It also, before I open the wig, I want to show you guys what else it comes with. It also came with a wig cap, a dark brown wig cap, and then the last thing it came with is some 3D eyelashes. But I'm probably not going to use these eyelashes because they are too long. It's not my preference. Okay. And then with this bag, you can actually reuse the bag. You can put the hair in there to keep it protected if you like. Okay, so now I'm going to open up the plastic bag so you guys can see how exactly it looks. So it comes in a net here, and this is 250 density, and it's a HD lace, 32 inches. Gonna take out the wrap there. First, I'm going to show you guys the cap, what it looks like in the inside. So this is a medium cap. Before, I purchased some hair from AliExpress, and I purchased a size small, and that lace wig was actually too small. So now I know my cap size now, so I know that I'm a size medium, so that's why I purchased a medium this time. So this is the cap here. It's like a dark brown cap, and then it's a 13 by 4 lace. So I'll show you guys. It's pretty much a lot of parting space, so I like that. So I can do a middle part or a side part, or if I want to put half up, half down, I'll be able to do that with this lace. With this lace front, so I'm excited for that. Okay, and it comes with 3 combs. I'm gonna actually cut out these combs here because these combs always like give me a headache and irritates my scalp, so I'm gonna cut those out, and then I'll keep this one as well. And then I'm also gonna sew a elastic band on there. Okay, so let's show you the front. This is the front, 13 by 4. And this is really thick. Like I said, I purchased 250 density. So as you can tell, like up here in the caps area, it's really thick. Like look how thick this hair is. You see? And look at all of the parting space here. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys like the parting space. So you have, look at that. You have like a finger length of parting space. So it does come with baby hairs, as you can see. I don't know if I'm going to actually keep the baby hairs or cut them off. depending how it looks when I apply it, then that will determine if I keep it or not. But it looks like a really natural hairline. Honestly, I feel like this wig is better than the Alley Pearl hair. No shade. I really liked it, the Alley Pearl hair, but I feel like this one is a little bit better. Like, I feel like the hairline is a little bit more natural compared to the Alley Pearl hair. So I will be plucking this and installing it, and I will be doing a video on that so you guys can see. So yeah, I want the color, as you can see, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's actually brown, like a natural brown color, and I like my wigs, my natural wigs, to be like jet black. I want it to be darker. I just like the way black wigs look on me. So I will be actually dyeing this darker, just so you guys know I will be changing the color there. So this is 32 inches. As you can see, it's very silky and shiny. Like, you see my hands can run through there, and I'm not noticing any shedding at all right now. I'm going to apply it and wear it for a couple of days, and also give you guys an updated review on it. But so far, I really like the texture. It is a straight lace front wig. It is already, I can see there is like some split ends. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but there are a couple of split ends. I'm going to flat iron that and straighten it out, and also hot comb it to kind of get those flyaways and split ends, you know, more flat. But overall, let me know what you guys think about this. I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys so you guys can see the actual wig and what it looks like straight out of the package. And I haven't done no customization yet. So this is 32 inches, extremely long, as you can see. Extremely long, and it's straight. 32 inches straight, 250 density. Like, look at that. Look how much hair that is. 250 density. So it is really, really thick. So I am super excited to apply this and wear this and show you guys. So please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you guys... Oh, I want to show you guys how the hairline look closer there. You see? It looks extremely natural. Like, look at that. Look extremely natural, you guys. I'm gonna have to do some plucking because it's still kind of thick around the hairline, but once I customize it, I think it's gonna look gorgeous. But yes, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me some likes, you guys. And yeah, I know I haven't done a hair review in a while, so I really wanted to get this one out for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.